Imagine a creature so rare that it's been given the nickname Asian unicorn. A living fossil that has eluded scientists for decades, nestled deep within the lush forests of Southeast Asia. This is the story of the Saola, one of the world's rarest mammals, and today, we're diving into its mysterious world. The Saola is not just an animal, it's a symbol of the wonders that still exist in our world and the urgent need for conservation efforts to protect them. Let's take a moment to rewind back to 1992, a year that would change the course of zoology forever. Picture a team of scientists conducting a survey in Vietnam's Vu Quang Nature Reserve. They were on the lookout for various wildlife, but what they stumbled upon was something entirely unexpected. In a hunter's home, they found unusual horns that didn't match any known species. Can you imagine the excitement? A large mammal, previously unknown to science, had just been discovered. The Saola, scientifically named Pseudoryx netinhensis, was the first new large mammal species identified since the 1930s. It was a groundbreaking moment, a reminder that our planet still has secrets waiting to be uncovered. Now, let's talk about what makes the Saola so special. Often referred to as the Asian unicorn, this nickname doesn't come from a single horn like you might expect. Instead, it stems from its extreme rarity and elusiveness. Saolas have two parallel horns that can grow up to 20 inches long, and both males and females possess them. They inhabit the Annamite Mountains, which stretch across Vietnam and Laos, preferring dense, evergreen forests near rivers. Imagine these majestic creatures, with their cow-like appearance, quietly navigating their lush surroundings. Despite their appearance, they are more closely related to wild cattle than to any other animal you might picture. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Saola is its behavior. These animals are incredibly shy, avoiding human contact at all costs. This shyness presents a significant challenge for researchers trying to study them in the wild. Most of what we know about Saolas comes from camera trap footage and reports from local villagers. And let me tell you, capturing a Saola on camera is a rare feat. In fact, no wildlife biologist has ever laid eyes on a live Saola in its natural habitat. Just think about that for a moment, an entire species that remains so elusive, so hidden from the human eye. However, thanks to advancements in technology, researchers have begun to unravel the mysteries surrounding the Saola. Camera traps, which are motion-activated cameras placed in the forest, have revolutionized Saola research. These devices provide invaluable insights into their behavior and population dynamics. Researchers sift through thousands of images to identify individual Saolas, helping them estimate the population size and track movements. Yet, even with this incredible technology, the Saola remains a ghost in the jungle, a creature rarely seen but often felt. But the Saola faces significant threats that jeopardize its existence. The biggest danger is hunting. These animals often fall victim to snares set for other wildlife. Habitat loss due to logging and agricultural expansion compounds the problem, while climate change alters their forest homes. The combination of these threats has pushed the Saola to the brink of extinction. It's a dire situation, and it demands urgent action. Conservationists are stepping up to combat these challenges with innovative techniques. One of the most effective methods is snare removal programs, where local rangers patrol the forests to remove illegal traps. In some areas, they've managed to remove over 130,000 snares in just a few years. This effort not only helps protect Saolas but also safeguards other endangered species that share their habitat. It's a shining example of how grassroots efforts can make a significant difference. Another groundbreaking approach is the use of environmental DNA, or EDNA. Researchers collect water samples from streams in Saola habitats and analyze them for traces of Saola DNA. This method allows scientists to detect the presence of Saolas without ever having to see them directly. It's a fascinating intersection of technology and nature, showcasing how we can adapt our methods to better understand and protect these elusive creatures. Conservation groups are also engaging local communities, developing alternative livelihoods to reduce hunting pressure. Education programs raise awareness about the importance of Saola conservation, creating a network of local protectors for this species. The Saola's survival is not just in the hands of scientists, it's a community effort. Every person has a role to play, whether it's through education, advocacy, or simply spreading the word. One of the most challenging aspects of Saola conservation is the idea of captive breeding. To date, no Saola has ever survived in captivity for more than a few months, making it incredibly difficult to establish a backup population. Scientists are tirelessly working to develop better husbandry techniques, hoping to one day create a successful captive breeding program. The search for live Saolas continues, and every effort counts. In 2010, villagers in Laos captured a Saola, but tragically, it died after just a few days. That was the last confirmed sighting of a live Saola. Yet, despite the challenges, conservationists remain hopeful. With new technologies and increased efforts, there is a glimmer of hope for the Saola's future. The Saola's story is far from over. It serves as a testament to the wonders still hidden in our world and a reminder of the urgent need for conservation. Every effort to save the Saola also protects countless other species that share its habitat. So, what can you do to help? Share this message to raise awareness about the Saola. Support organizations working tirelessly to protect these incredible animals. Remember, every action counts in the fight to save Earth's biodiversity. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of the Saola. Until next time, keep exploring and keep caring for our planet's amazing creatures. The future of the Saola, and many other species, depends on us.